How to generate an image on ChatGPT. To do that, simply go on your Google Chrome or your browser. You can go on any of it. After you go on Google Chrome or your browser, simply open your ChatGPT, log in or sign up, whatever you want to do. So I've already shown an example here. I wrote, write prompt for boy sitting in park and eating ice cream. Since the ChatGPT does not create the image, just write prompt for any image that you want the ChatGPT to make, write the scene and everything, describe it. And after that, ChatGPT will provide a prompt to you. And after it provides a prompt, what you should simply do is select whatever prompt that the ChatGPT has given and copy it. After doing that, go on your next page of your Google Chrome, and for here you will search for Bing Chat. After searching for the Bing Chat, you will simply paste the copied thing that you have just copied from ChatGPT. So after I pasted here, what you should do is please generate an image of and paste whatever prompt that the ChatGPT has created and gave you. Paste that thing, and after you paste this, the Copilot, that is Bing Chat, will provide you an image. But to see the image, you should sign in to this bingchat.com. So after signing it, you will see a visible image on your screen. So this is how you can create image with ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.